Hello, Teacher Learning Hub users. The Teacher Learning Hub is now integrated with the Teach Montana online licensure system. What does this mean for you? Now, when licensed Montana educators complete a Hub course, the earned professional development units, formerly called renewal units, will automatically transfer to Teach Montana. Licensed Montana educators will no longer have to manually submit units earned on the Hub to renew their teaching license. We've loaded your SEID numbers into your Hub profile so your information connects with licensure. If you are not a licensed Montana educator, we've loaded the email associated with your Hub account instead of an SEID number. We require your help to verify that your information is correct. Please note that if your SEID was entered incorrectly or is missing entirely, this integration will not work. So it is essential that you check your personal information for accuracy. Follow along to learn how to verify your information depending on if you are a licensed Montana educator or not. First, you'll want to check your user profile. Click your name in the top right corner of the Hub homepage and choose Profile from the drop-down menu. Once you are viewing your profile, you'll want to check the User Details section, specifically the SEID number value. If you are a licensed Montana educator, your SEID number should be displayed here. If you are not a licensed Montana educator, the email address associated with your Hub account should be displayed here. If you notice an error, you can fix this error by clicking Edit Profile. Once you are in Edit Profile, scroll to the bottom and look for the Profile Fields section. There, you will see the area where you can type in your correct SEID number or your correct email address. Simply delete the value that is already there and either type in your SEID number if you are a licensed Montana educator, or the email address associated with your Hub account if you are not a licensed Montana educator. Then click Update Profile to save the information. If you receive an error message and cannot save your updated information, click the red Help button to submit a help ticket to the Hub team, and they will help troubleshoot your issue for you. If you have any questions, please email us at opilearninghub@mt.gov. Thank you.